My boy, my dear boy, you are mon petit prince, the light of my world. The past 23 years as your mother have been the best of my life. Watching you grow from this sweet boy to a strong man has made every breath I have taken worth it. I only ask for one last favor from you. Please take me home to LavaCourt and spread my ashes in the Seine so that I may rejoin my parents and the earth that made us. And I hope that when you are standing on the banks of the river, releasing me to my home, you remember that my love for you is undying.